preserving knowledge, securing history. Open up files. BookTEK scanners convert analog documents into digital data, ready for eternal storage or immediate analysis. The BookTEK overhead scanner family is designed for fast, accurate, gentle, and convenient digitization of virtually all types of documents. The unique book cradle processes bound and stapled documents such as books and files, even if they are in poor condition. The flexible book cradle can be adjusted either to 180 degrees for flat documents or to 120 degrees in a V shape for maximum protection of books and bound documents. There are two different glass plates available. The system features a V-shaped glass plate for sensitive, bound material, while an optional flat glass supports perfectly even digitization of loose or flat documents. With the BookTEK 5v2v3 archive, the glass plate can be easily operated by hand to ensure that only the exact amount of pressure desired by the operator is applied to the book. The BookTEK 5v2v3 Archive Automatic features a motorized drive system that fully automates glass plate movement, enabling fast, hands-free operation between page turns, while ensuring optimal fixation and consistent image quality through adjustable pressure. Manual operation remains available on a cycle-by-cycle basis. Conversely, the manually operated BookTEK 5v2v3 archive can be upgraded to the Archive Automatic at any time using an upgrade kit, providing a seamless path to increased automation. The laser-controlled autofocus recognizes the height profile even when books are only partially open and automatically focuses on each page. The book fold is also precisely measured, and the distortions known from digital cameras are perfectly compensated for. In contrast to systems with digital cameras, a high-resolution CCD line scan camera captures every page in razor-sharp detail and without interpolation. With a resolution of up to 600 dpi, equivalent to a Digicam resolution of around 240 megapixels, even the finest details are captured. Four independently controllable LED light sources provide uniform, glare-free illumination without UV and infrared components. An extended color space and various color profiles ensure precise, true-to-life digitization in compliance with common standards, such as ISO 19264 and FAGI. The scanner can be operated intuitively via the Linux-based Scan Wizard on the 21-inch touchscreen. The Scan Wizard can be configured to customer specifications and runs both locally and on external PCs or mobile devices. With configurable templates and user profiles, the scanner can be adapted to any application and any type of user. A large number of direct output channels, such as USB, SMB, local share, FTP, cloud, email, and printer, save the need for a detour via external computers. For mass digitization, the BookTEK can be operated with the Batch Scan Wizard software for maximum efficiency and security. The world's largest digitization projects of the last decades have been successfully carried out mainly with BookTEK scanners. BookTEK overhead scanners are the first choice for libraries, archives, authorities, offices, notaries, and lawyers, as well as industry, and for anyone looking for an inexpensive and reliable digitization solution. And this solution costs less than you think. Find the right distribution partner for your region on our website. Quality made in Germany by Image Access.